This tool is a total game changer. With it, you can revise way faster and actually stay organized, especially the one preparing for competitive exams like UPSC. The best part, you make your notes once and throw everything into it. That's it. Revision becomes effortless. You can revise while commuting, lying on the bed instead of just scrolling your phone. If the YouTube algorithm showed you this video, trust me, it can completely change the way you prepare for competitive exams. Hardly anyone knows about this tool. Only a few curious ones do, and it's kind of gatekept. It's called Anki. I have already explained the basics of this app in my previous videos. There is a full playlist on my channel, go check it out later. In this video, I will show you how you can use Anki for all three stages of UPSC. Let's get started. So this is Anki. For regular note taking, I use Roam Research, which is very useful in bidirectional linkages, which is important for UPSC. I have already talked about that in another video. Link is in the description. So this is an article that was in news recently. The Supreme Court said that the President must decide on bills reserved by Governor within 3 months. From prelims point of view, these are the facts one should remember. For mains, these are the questions which can be asked. One thing I have done is I have customized my own template for card type, which helps in keeping longer context window, which works perfectly for prelims and mains. Basically anything you want to retain in long term. For demo, I have made this card. This is especially helpful for prelims. You can see these extra contacts here. And for mains, I have chosen this question. What does the ruling imply about the evolving role of judiciary in interpreting executive powers at the state level? In the answer, like I have included the 3 parts also, like introduction, body and conclusion. In the introduction part, you can see here the Supreme Court's April 2024 ruling directing time-bound action by the President and Governors, blah blah blah. I have included these facts which you want to remember for the exam, like Article 142, Article 200 and 201 here. You can also see the body part. Here also the context of the ruling, that is the article facts, you can include that. This is the conclusion part. Someone in the comment section asked about making cards for anthropology optional. So this is my PSR cards. You can do it for any other optionals also. The same trick works for any optionals, essays, ethics, basically anything you want to retain in long term. So that's how you can use Anki for UPSC in all the stages of the exam. You can follow my Telegram channel for more detailed insights and updates. Link is in the description.